Right behind me, I have possibly the loudest straight pipe BMW M2 ever, and in today's video, we're going to be taking it to the busiest city around me to get some reactions. But first, let's see what we're working with. We have this amazing inline 6 engine that makes some beautiful sounds, which used to have this huge downpipe on it, but now it's fully catless. And we have this amazing M Performance exhaust, which is basically a straight pipe to the muffler, which can be almost fully bypassed by clicking this button twice.
Making it super loud!
And of course, we need some pops and cracks, so we've got boot mode stage 2 as well. We're gonna be doing something really crazy with boot mode later on in the video. Car's sounding amazing today. Oh, and we've got a nice X5 in front of us as well. I really like these taillights on this gen, even though I have the previous gen X5M. When I brought the computer and yellow cable, it wasn't just a prop for one of those scenes back there.